Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate Danish pastry. First, combine your dry ingredients with cold milk to create a rough dough. Next, carefully add 200 grams of very cold cubed butter, ensuring it's evenly distributed. This initial step is crucial for the flaky layers we want. Once combined, wrap the dough tightly and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period prepares the dough for the lamination process, making it easier to handle and preventing the butter from melting too quickly. Now let's create those beautiful layers. On a lightly floured surface, roll your chilled dough into a rectangle approximately 12 by 24 inches. Perform a single fold, bringing 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the other third over that. Rotate the dough 90 degrees, wrap it, and chill for 20 minutes. You'll repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process 3 more times for a total of 4 folds. This meticulous lamination is the secret to a truly authentic, flaky Danish pastry. With your laminated dough ready, it's time for the delicious chocolate filling. Melt 150 grams of good quality dark chocolate with a touch of cream to create a smooth, rich mixture. Roll your dough out to about 1/4 inch thick and cut it into 4-inch squares. Place a generous spoonful of your chocolate filling in the center of each square. Now, get creative with shaping. You can fold them into triangles, pinwheels, or simple pockets. Once shaped, let them proof in a warm place for about 45 minutes. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful chocolate Danish pastries. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your proof pastries to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and the layers have puffed up perfectly. Once baked, let them cool slightly on a wire rack. For an extra touch, you can drizzle them with a simple powdered sugar glaze. Enjoy your homemade, warm, and incredibly flaky chocolate Danish pastry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.